Hi guys, and welcome to Scrap Rat. I am Cindy, and I don't do a whole lot of hauls, but I know that a lot of y'all are interested in the Ollies, and I was just wanting to kind of show what I have found at the ones locally in the Midwest. I live in Missouri, so I did not buy a lot by any means, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I came home with and let you know that some of these I will be doing future videos in. Some of them I've already used in videos. I bought these adhesive vellum. They were $1 a roll, and I went back a couple of days later and they were doing 3 packs for $1. So I bought those. So there's those, and I had bought a thing of the Heidi Swap stickers, and I think there's 3 of them in here. So sorry for the glare. I didn't want to open anything. I hadn't opened it all. Some of it I have opened, but there's 3 of these in there, so those are cute. For little journals for hiking. And I bought 2 of these. Those were $1 for the 3 Heidi Swap stickers, and these were $1. And I am actually working on a colorful tropical journal, so I bought 2 of those, and yeah. That's really the only paper that I bought. They had other paper, just I don't need it, but I thought those were really cute. I bought 1 thing of the Project Life cards because I liked the colors. They had scads of these, and these were at I think it's around like Kirkwood-ish area, but these were $1, and there's 60 of them in there. This was also at Kirkwood. The other stuff was in like Manchester area. And these were at Manchester, $1.99, and there's 12. They're just glitter glues. My son and I play with glitter glue, and I thought if they're any good that I could use them for like stickles. But if not, then him and I will have fun with them. So there's that. And this was $1 for the entire pack. I will not need glitter for a long time. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Pardon my loud, family. So there's 2 gold, 2 silver, there's a green, a blue, a purple, which I thought was really pretty, and red. Don't use a whole lot of glitter, but I won't need to buy any for an eternity with that. I bought this. This was the Manchester store, and this was Manchester store. This is a couple of different colors of gold, and a couple more, like 3 different colors of gold, 2 of each, 2 white, 2 silver, and 2 black. So there's 12 rolls, and it's glitter tape. This is more my speed with the glitter. This and the glue. I don't deal well with glitter. I had picked up, and the glitter tape was $1. This was $1.99, and the glitter was $1. These were $4.99, and I wear readers, and I wear big cat eye glasses like this. This pack had a pink pair in it that I already took out, but they were $4.99, and I didn't really need them because I buy boxes of them off of Amazon, but I mean, for $5 for 3 pair, that's pretty good. And I love the big cat. So and the thing that really got me with these is watch for an upcoming video, because I'm actually going to take this packaging and somehow use it. I have a couple of ideas. I actually thought of it while I was in the store, and that's kind of what made my mind up. So yeah, I'm sorry if there was a glare on that, guys. I apologize. And a big thing, I bought 3 of these, okay? bought 3 of them because I figured one for me, one for my mom, and one to give away. Well, I get home and there's 3 in each pack. This was the very first time I had been there when I picked up the single rolls of adhesive vellum, and I opened up one of the packs. I put one in mine, and then this one's going to Mom. So I have 6. I'll give this one to a friend of mine's daughter, but I have 6 of these to give away. So I'm going to tell you how you can win one of these in an upcoming video, and I will give all 6 of them away. But there was 2 other things that I got. This is like my favorite thing that I got. It was, I can't remember, I think it was $6.99, but it's a Bible cover, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. And my study Bible's in there, so I'm not going to open it. But yeah, I love it. It says Woman of Faith on the little handle, and I thought it was so cute. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. And it's all embossed and stuff. They had it in other colors. They had it in blue and purple, and that was at the Manchester store, and I believe brown. And the best deal I think I got was these 12 by 12 boxes. They were in plastic, and there was 2 in each. 2 was the first time I was there. There was 2 in each bag, and I know that 4 of them fit in my cubes. So I picked up 2 of the little bags, and I got up there, and y'all, they were $1. So I wanted to go back and get more of them, but I only knew I had space for the 4 of them. So I didn't. I thought about it though, but I didn't. But they had plenty of them when I was there, and so that's 50 cents a box. And these hold 12 by 12 paper. I thought that they would be good for my upcoming videos, for projects and stuff to put in here. And like I said, 4 of them fit in my cubes. So they have a little thing for a label. I have some of these already. I had some of these already. But yeah, so that's about it for everything that I got. Like I said, they did have paper at both of them, and everything's kind of sparse though as far as the papers go. I mean, it was some of them. I think they had some Vicky Bouton that was $4.99, and it's a collection that I already have. So I didn't buy that. And they had a couple, there was none of the Maggie Holmes, 0. And I know people are getting a lot of that. I saw no punches, and I was there about, my second time I went, probably about a week ago. I haven't been back. If I go back and find anything good, I will pop on and let you guys know. But yeah, so if you want to see me use some of these things in an upcoming video, like and subscribe. And like I said, I don't do a whole lot of hauls. I have recently done this one and a Dollar Tree one, and both of them pertain to things that I actually am going to be using in upcoming videos, except for with the exception of these stamps that I'll be giving away. I don't buy scads of stuff that I don't need. I have been collecting for a long time, so I don't have room for that kind of mess. So but yeah, if you want to come back and see me use some of this stuff, like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, guys, and leave a comment below if you have found something that you were just like taken back with, like the boxes. Those boxes, I mean, they're not that expensive to begin with, but 50 cents a piece was kind of a shock. But yeah, I only got 2 packs of them, so kind of proud of myself on that one. But anyways, guys, you go out and spread some joy today and love one another. And yeah, if you get to go to Ollie's, happy shopping and have a fantastic day. And until next time, guys, much love. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.